If you have items stacked, it's so easy for them to fall over and go all kinds of places. Hi, Loretta Jammal here, Senior Designer with ShelfGenie of Greater Houston. Who has a Tupperware cabinet that is out of control? We've been in homes where you open the door and things are literally falling out of the cabinet. And it's not an uncommon situation because there's nothing to hold it in place. Can you believe that all of this is now going to go back into one cabinet? During the consultation, we look at your space. We design custom solutions that will fit all of the openings. Here's one of our style removals, which makes us have even better access. And then we've added some dividers in this drawer. This is going to give us the option to separate these lids and place them tandem. So now you can see what goes where. If you're up in the upside, if you have items stacked, it's so easy for them to fall over and go all kinds of places. But now we can utilize these dividers and store them here. These dividers and this glide out shelf actually reduce the amount of space that you need to store multiple items. So now we can put them here. You can see everything. And when your helpers come in and try to put things in place for you, the dividers help you keep these organized. So all of that stacked stuff that was up there now fits easily into this cabinet, and it's so much easier for you to be able to see and get your hands on everything. A lot of cabinets have a short, or we call them a half upper shelf. We take that out completely and instead give you a full glide out shelf. Now you have got doubled your space on the upper shelf, and we're going to put all of these items on a glide out with wheels so it all comes right out to you. How much easier is it for you to now get your hands on this? When you're ready to do some prepping, all of your bowls are there together. After you've cooked, all of your food storage containers are together. Grab a container, grab a lid, you are good to go. It's all about making your life simpler.